So this is not an ordinary lip tint. There is a technique of this, how to use, and you need to follow the instructions so it will work. Yeah, Wonder Skin brand. I'm gonna make a demo how to use this because this is kind of complicated. You need to follow the instruction to make it right result of what is supposed to be. So this is sold by this stick. Wow. This is looks like, guys, purple, right? This is very intrigued, guys. So let's check it out later. Stay tuned for the day that I'm going to use it. Or this is not an ordinary lipstick. It's supposed to be, this is a lip tint. Bye. Thanks for watching and thank you for all the support. Bye bye.